Hey everyone, Karim Mustafa here from Chopcast. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can add subtitles very quickly to any video that you have. Whether you're looking to generate a transcript of the video or actually burn the captions onto the physical video file, that's what we're going to be looking at today. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Google and search for chopcast.io. And this is basically the tool that we're going to be using today. You can create a free account. Once you have logged into that free account, it's going to look something like this. You just need to start by uploading a video. You could basically upload a video from YouTube, make sure you have the rights to it, or of course from your computer directly. Once the video is uploaded, let's take a look at a ready example here. Say this one, for instance, you'll actually have all the key moments on the right side over here in case you're looking for specific clips to add subtitles to them. Or if you wanted to just get the subtitles for the full length video, well, you pretty much have it right there. You can go ahead and click on export, make sure this is turned on, and you can simply go ahead and download the MP4 of the video with the subtitles added to that video. Of course, if you wanted other things such as like getting the SRT file alone, you'll be able to download that over here. Same thing with the text file as well if you wanted a transcript of what was said in the video. The other thing you can take a look at is, in case you wanted to edit any of the subtitles before actually burning it onto the video, you can simply go to the edit page over here and you will be able to see the subtitles auto-generated. Now, the subtitles are fairly accurate, but of course, if you wanted to make any changes, all you need to do is just click on the specific word or segment and just, make whatever changes you need to make and click on submit changes at the end. Last but not least, if you wanted to tweak the start and end time of the final video that you are adding subtitles to, you can go ahead and just drag the start and end time handles over here, and then you can go ahead and export like so. So just a super quick look as to how you can use something like Chopcast to basically add subtitles to your video, whether you're looking to get a transcript or looking to just generate captions for that video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know what else you'd like us to cover in terms of video editing, and I'll see you in the next one.